Star, them say you must not trust your shadow after dark, and it's true. Me's a girl, when I run man joke, and me always I watch my man. But it look like me that I pre the wrong set of people because it's my deaf and mute cousin me catch asleep with my man. Me and her never close, but after my auntie dead, my mother take her in with we. She was an adult when she moved in, but because she deaf and dumb, me always a see her as innocent little girl. Was she all of her natural hair and thing. Anyway, one day my boyfriend text me say I'm gonna carry the kids car river. So me tell him say I must carry her too, cause she got bored at home alone. Them I go I'm even lend her my swimsuit and say me go chill at the yard. About 2 hours later, me see my kids them come back. Them say them father send them up because them a complain say them cold. And although my niece never come, me still not pre anything funny. Minutes later, me say me go all I wash at the river too. But when me reach close, me hear like a funny sound. But me never did a pay it no mind. My God. Star, when we reach close and my cousin and my man that a joke. The way me fright my ball out and him eye wide open like him see a duppy when him see me. Him single her for stop and she jump up and run. Me said the way me frightened, me couldn't even run down none of them. My man start play victim and say as she come on to him. By the time I get up and go to the house, under the bed me find her hide. Me never beat her or anything, but when me text her ask her why she do it, she tell me say straight up that she was horny. But she tell me say despite that she no want my man.